Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Lamborghini Huracan and its design, performance, interior, technology, and of course, whether this raging bull still carries the soul of a true supercar. Let's start with the looks because, let's be honest, that's half the reason people buy a Lamborghini Huracan and is sharper, wider, and meaner than ever before. Lamborghini has taken inspiration from the Revuelto, but kept the Huracan and signature wedge-shaped silhouette intact. You'll notice the Y-shaped LED headlights, aggressive air intakes, and a more sculpted hood that improves both aerodynamics and cooling. From the side, the car hugs the ground with bold lines and larger wheel arches that house up to 21-inch alloys, and at the rear a race-inspired diffuser, quad exhausts, and a retractable spoiler that adjusts on the fly. The whole car looks like it's carved by the wind, and trust me, it's every bit as intimidating in a person as you'd imagine. But the Huracan is not just a showpiece, it's a weapon. Under the hood, Lamborghini continues the V10 legacy, but with a modern twist. The naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 has been refined for delivering around 660 horsepower, and yes, it still screams to the heavens at over 8,000 RPM. For those who want something greener, Lamborghini now offers a plug-in hybrid version, combining that glorious V10 with an electric motor for instant torque and over 700 combined horsepower. 0 to 60, just about 2.6 seconds, with a top speed well north of 210 miles per hour. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that looks straight out of a fighter jet. Lamborghini has kept the drama alive: 8 toggle switches, a flip-up start button cover, and hexagonal design cues everywhere. The new digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing you performance data, navigation, and even track telemetry. The infotainment system has finally been updated with a more intuitive interface, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in driving assistance that adapts suspension and throttle response to your driving style. As for comfort, it's surprisingly livable. The seats are supportive but not punishing, and the cabin materials Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather remind you this is as much art as it is engineering. But what's it like to actually drive? In a word, addictive. The V10 roars to life with a bark that sends chills down your spine. In Strada mode, it's docile enough to daily drive, with softer suspension and smoother gear shifts. Switch to sport, and the car sharpens up a quicker throttle, tighter steering, and an exhaust that crackles on every downshift. Of course, let's not pretend this is a family car. The trunk is just about enough for a weekend bag, and visibility is still very Lamborghini, meaning you'll be relying on cameras and sensors most of the time. And now for the big question: how much does it cost? The Huracan starts around $270,000, and with options and the hybrid upgrade, you're looking well over $320,000. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. The 2026 Lamborghini Huracan is not just a car, it's an experience. It blends old-school V10 drama with new-age hybrid tech, and wraps it all in one of the most breathtaking designs on the road. If you want a supercar that's exotic, emotional, and instantly recognizable anywhere in the world, the Huracan is still the king of drama. So, what do you think of the new Huracan? Would you go for the classic V10, or the hybrid monster? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more supercar reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.